Hi, Siraj Dawar here. Hope you're fine and doing well. If you love this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Let's start. I am going to expose you guys a way to make money on YouTube without recording or making any motion pictures, so that is going to be step-through-step tutorial. I've a few hit YouTube channels in this area of interest, and I am going to expose you guys exactly how you may do the identical thing. I am going to reveal you men one of the most hit channels in enterprise. I'm going to reveal you men my first-rate channel that I have used to get a number of the views on that channel with 0 subscribers, so ensure to look at this video till into to the fact I'm going to reveal you guys everything. And additionally, men, if you are new to my YouTube channel, make certain to press that subscribe button due to the fact we upload each day movies on this channel on the way to make cash online, how to make cash on YouTube, so that you do not want to miss that out. So make certain to press that subscribe button so the channel that we're going to use now not virtually to chain approximately the form of films that we're going to create at. Have talked about this earlier then, and this is one of the simplest approaches to develop your YouTube channel to get a lot of views and also to reach lots of subscribers in an effort to create network of the humans. And you could begin from 0. I am going to show you guys if you have 0 subscribers, I will get views virtually without difficulty, so make sure to look at this video till end. So example, one of the most success channels on this area of interest is of course Data is Beautiful. I have talked about this earlier than when they had few 100,000 subscribers knighted. Now they have 1.1 million subscribers. And the maximum aspect, most vital thing, approximately this channel is they are no longer doing this approach anymore. You could see they are no longer importing videos anymore. Probably they've made so much cash they do not even care proper now to create any movies for this channel, or even if they created a video, that video would get millions of perspectives, so that you can see a few crazy amounts of perspectives per video, and those motion pictures may be made in a little while. Let's call it 30 minutes to create this form of video. So we will see right here 10 million perspectives, 22 million views, 9 million perspectives. And if you move and type by means of maximum famous films, you can see that there may be a few crazy quantities of perspectives in line with video that they have on those channels. And I'm going to give an explanation for you men how you could do the identical method, and you may see they've 1,460,000 and 146 million views. So that is probably around from $600,000 to $700,000 in only one year from this channel. So this is just AdSense cash. So I'm going to show you men the channels that use this method and they don't have any subscribers. You can see this channel has 3,000 subscribers and that they have video with 1.4 million views. So if you think that it is not feasible or it is overused or something like that, that isn't always the case. This approach is going to work forever. And if you suppose that this technique doesn't paintings, you are just kidding yourself. You are just looking for excuses to not take advantage of this crazy method to make numerous, to get loads of subscribers and make loads of cash. So to reveal you men any other instance of the channel, this channel has grew from some 1,000 subscribers. Now they've 774,000 subscribers, and you may see they have got millions of perspectives, so that you do not want to have loads of subscribers to get tens of millions of views. You may see you simply need to take advantage of the most famous things like Dragon Ball, that is a few TV series, and those used to use this approach to rank the top characters in the series. So essentially what happens right here is the humans which are involved in that collection series or emblem, or I need to expose you guys the video that I have made for assessments and that I need to percentage with you guys, but one of the success channels I and proportion with you guys. So I'm going to display you guys the test channel that I used to get from 0 views to few thousand views. So I want to expose you men how you can create this kind of film so it is truly clean to create them. So first element that you want to do is you want to discover some competition among the brands. So let's consider maximum famous television collection supplier, fine selling tune artists, or something that humans are interested in. So even supposing they do not know anything about it, your YouTube channel, you can move and create a video around them and get views. So I've made a video about most famous websites, now not without a doubt websites, but maximum famous social media networks. So I have ranked the ones and they got a few views with 0 subscribers and 0 perspectives on clean new channel, so I want to proportion with you guys how I did this. However, earlier than we do that, I need to reveal you men how you can create these type of motion pictures so that the software program that they are the use of to create those kind of films is known as Flourish Studio. And what I did is real signed up free of charge account. You do not need to move in and upgrade to paid model. You can cross and create a loose version and click on proper right here whilst you sign up. So proper right here, you can see they've this bar chart trace. You can use these loose sorts, but the most commonplace one is this bar chart erase this one. So let's click on that and you may see that is instance that quite a few human beings have taken of to apply and uphold on their YouTube channels and get a variety of perspectives. So your work goes to be to find records for this bar music hint and record it with display screen recorder and upload it to your YouTube channel. So this is example of the video, and in case you want to recognize how this works is you need to click on beta proper here and you want to locate all of the numbers and place them inside the columns proper here. So it's miles truly easy to do. I understand a number of you guys are going to think that perhaps it's miles difficult to locate this records, and that I may want to point it out this. I've made a video approximately maximum famous social media network, so I have used a statistic to discover all of the so maximum famous social media, and I've created through looking to raise for that. So proper right here in case you cross on Statista and kind in Facebook, you can locate month to month with customers for Facebook from 2008 to 2019. So right here you could see in 2008 there has been 100 million users on, and also you can get all of the information proper here in 2002. 2010 there was 431 million users, so you can pause and take all of this records right here. You can see in 2016 1.7 billion customers, and you may put all of these information right here and create your personal bar chart hint right here inside the image URL. You could position the emblem of the, you may position the hyperlink of the emblem of the social media which you are seeking to use. So right here you could see you are no longer going to look the flag of the us of, you'll see the brand from the company that you have created. For in this situation it's miles for, so that you would put right here, for instance in China your emblem. So I need to display you men how you may get views. So we've created video, now we've got uploaded on our YouTube channel, and we have 0 perspectives, 0 subscribers. So how we can get some views on our motion pictures? I can use this approach. You could see this is my video that I've created and that I need to play to you men. So I have used some no longer copyrighted track, and I am no longer going to get copyright strike. The cause why, as I said, is you are not going to. So you can see proper right here that is my music subscribers, a few views, and I will get at least 1,000 subscribers, or now not absolutely subscribers, sorry, 1,000 perspectives per video. So how you may get it with 0 perspectives? So I can use this Reddit account referred to as Facts is Stunning. So they have used this Reddit account to promote our movies. So we will cross and post your very own video right here, in human beings that are interested in records are going to click on your video and they are going to watch it. So why is this simply crucial? You can see there is 14 million participants on statistics is lovely on Reddit, and those are importing films each single day. You can see right here that is a video. So simply to reveal you guys to play it, so you can see this is probably a video. So whilst you click on it, it's miles going to jump in the YouTube channel. That is another video. So people which can be subscribed to this Reddit account are exceedingly inquisitive about those stuff, so that you're going to percentage with them. You could see this is bar trace proper right here made in Flourish Studios, so that you can go and percentage your videos to this page, and that I want to show you guys my Reddit posts. You can see proper here this is my video. So when you click on it, you can see 18 humans preferred my publish, and if you click on my video, it's miles going to tenting proper here. So you can see I've examined those I've carried out that check for this YouTube channel I've created simply to reveal you men, and simply to reveal myself, that you can get some views this way actually easily. So once you attain 0 watch hours and you can reach it, that this is going to be very smooth due to the fact This manner you could get quite a few perspectives, a lot of subscribers, and you wanted to get 0 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. In order that manner you can move and monetize your YouTube channel with commercials. So I've told you men I've some channels in this area of interest and they're doing pretty well, so I desire to proportion with you men and gave my opinion approximately how I can make a few money doing this approach. So guys, that could be it for latest video. If you have any questions, send loose to invite in comment selection, and additionally you may check out my YouTube direction in which I educate you men step by step a way to create YouTube channel. What sort of content material need to you